Alright, today's video is going to talk about the continuous and discontinuous functions, Unit 3, Lesson 4 Practice. And so I'll be going over those questions. Let's start with number 1. Okay, on the screen you see Unit 3, Lesson 4 Practice number 1. Describe the continuity of a graph function that's there. So let's talk for just a second about what it means to be continuous. Intuitively, or what you might think without any fancy words, would be, do you draw this graph without picking up your pen or pencil? Or your stylus, or whatever you're using here. And the case of this, it definitely is graphed here without picking up our pencil from left to right. So answer choice A will be the answer, but let's talk about the others. Removable discontinuities. Removable discontinuities would be any hole in the graph that you have, and that does not happen here. A jump discontinuity is just as it's described. Does it jump from one piece to the next? And we don't do that here, although it has a sharp turn there at x equals 0. It still doesn't cause us to pick up our pencil. So then, letter choice D says an infinite discontinuity. So that is actually saying, do I have a vertical asymptote there? And that is not the case. So again, the answer choice here should be A, that the function is continuous. Number 2, which function has a removable discontinuity at x equals 1? So again, that word removable discontinuity has to do with it being a hole in the graph. So as you look at the answer choices, I notice that answer choice B has a hole on it, but actually it's really a jump discontinuity or skip, because you physically have to go to a different area of the graph to continue. Okay? And kind of same with D. As you're traveling along there, at x equals 1, you skip to get to the next piece. I guess something that should be noted in answer choice B is that that discontinuity, whether it was a hole or a jump anyway, is happening at x equals 0. Okay, so let's look at answer choice A and C. Again, we're looking for a hole at x equals 1. And so that should not be A, because that's at x equals 0. So our answer should be B there. Again, removable discontinuities are traveling along that line just fine, and then you pick up your pencil for just a second, and then you continue. That's different than down here with the skip. Okay? All right. Number 3. The cost of mailing a package from the United States to Western Europe is a function of its weight, as shown in the graph there. And we need to describe the continuity, or the discontinuity in this case, of the function. So the function is definitely not continuous. As I travel along here, I definitely skip multiple times here. So now we just need to decide what type of discontinuity it is. It's not removable because of that picking up my pencil motion that's happening. So I would definitely pick jump discontinuity. I would not pick infinite discontinuity because they aren't asymptotes. They are jumping between those points. Again, answer choice C for number 3. All right, so that's a quick view of Unit 3, Lesson 4 Practice. Hopefully it's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.